Let's learn how to use VPN07 proxies on SpeedCat Nextin App. Quite easy. First of all, go link in the description and get a subscription for VPN07. Go to buy subscription. Choose any package, yearly, quarterly, monthly, up to 3 years. Let's say this is the package I want to buy. And here, enter my coupon code for discount, which is 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒄𝒏 number 8. You can also use 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒄𝒏 1 and 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒄𝒏 2. Verify this coupon code and see 300 RMB gone. Now you can pay using Alipay, WeChat, or USDT TRC20. After that, go to this page, download client. It works on Windows, macOS, Android, Linux, and iOS device. The personalized app for VPN07 is on the way, but they also launched another app that is called Clash Plus. You can use that one, but I noticed that SpeedCat Nextin App is handling these proxies even better. Okay, got it. Here you have two options. One is China, one is overseas. If you are in China, copy the China link, and if you are overseas, copy the overseas link. The VPN is global. And here you will see a QR code. Just take a screenshot of this QR code and save it in your gallery. Now open Nextin app and make sure it is the most updated version of the Nextin app. Now you already took a screenshot. Go to add a service. Here there are two methods. One is to copy the subscription link and paste it here. The other one is QR code method. The first method is to copy the subscription link according to your location, China or overseas. Then paste that subscription link here and press on next. But I'm gonna go for QR code method. I already saved a screenshot. Go to this option, open from gallery, and here is my QR code. Wow, it's already added here. And during this process, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Sometimes it will cause problems. Now you have profile selected. Go to this profile and you will see VPN07. Here you choose any of the server and refresh subscription, also ping values, and you will see all the ping values here. Now you can connect to any server, let's say Japan, and now nothing is grayed out. It is connected to Japan. You can choose global or rule-based proxies. And you will also see all the given data, remaining traffic or whatever. Use the coupon codes and enjoy this speedy app. If you want to learn more about 10 different VPNs, then watch this video, and I have guided multiple VPNs with A to Z guidelines. I'll see you next time. Bye.